Hi everybody. Today my focus is cleaning my really greasy Ninja Foodi Grill lid. Big thank you to Frugal Freddy for reminding me to make this video. I absolutely love my Ninja Foodi Grill. My family uses it multiple times a week. I absolutely love this thing. So today though, I need to give it a little TLC and give it a really nice deep clean. So the best thing to do when you are cleaning your Ninja Foodi Grill is to wipe it down after each use. That doesn't always happen in my house, especially if one of the kids is using it to like make a burger or something and I'm not aware that it was being used. And in this case, it's gotten really greasy and grimy. So the first thing I'm going to do to attempt to get rid of this grease is I'm going to take some lemon juice and just put it in a spray bottle. Next, I'll take off the mesh heating element cover, spray it with the lemon juice, and let it sit for 15 to 30 minutes. Then I'll spray the inside of the lid with the lemon juice, and again, let it sit for about 15 to 30 minutes. Next, I'm going to wipe the grease off with a paper towel. Usually I'll use a microfiber cloth, but today I'm going to use a paper towel so I can just show you the grease on it. So there's still some tough spots here that won't come off, so I'm going to use some hot soapy water and Dr. Bronner's. I put this microfiber cloth here just to catch any of the drips from the soapy water. So this is looking much better. However, we still have some tough spots I'm having a really hard time getting off. So I'm going to use my Bissell Power Steamer. All in all, I think I did an okay job removing some of that grease and grime and gunk that was stuck on there. I don't quite have the elbow grease in my arm to give it a super good scrubbing, but I think I did an okay job. Thanks so much for watching. Take care. Have yourselves a great day.